Hello Aquarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at your love life. So we'll be taking your energies, your person's energies, their current feelings for you, your current feelings, and the best course of action according to both of you. So let's get started. What are your energies, Aquarians? Hierophant, okay. Your current feelings for the person you are dealing with. It's the Temperance, the Emperor, and the Four of Wands has already jumped out. Okay, so that is stability, that is control. Okay, let's see what is the best course of action according to you right now in this situation. Is the Three of Pentacles. Okay. So let's see what are the energies of the person you are dealing with, Aquarians. Seven of Swords. Let's see what are their current feelings for you. The Four of Wands, okay. The best course of action according to them right now is the Ten of Wands. The most likely outcome of this connection is the Queen of Cups. Okay. And yes, before I start reading, I'll be doing an extended to this reading, and that will be on Patreon, the link of which will be given in the description box below. So if this reading resonates with you, then do click on the link and join me on Patreon to listen to the entire reading. Okay, so let's get started. Your general energies are the Hierophant. So you are someone who is at a higher position in the sense that you are a more stable person. You are wanting stability. You are looking for commitment. You are not a person who is looking for short-term relationships. You want something long-term. You want something committed. You are in a position to perhaps even dictate your terms and conditions, and you are very decisive about it. Dictate your terms and conditions doesn't mean in a wrong way. It is something that you know, I want this. You're very clear about it. You really don't have any hassles about what you want. Okay, and you want stability. You want something long-term. Okay, you are not in for short-term relationships, short or flirtatious things. And as far as your current feelings for the person is concerned is the Temperance. So you are trying to moderate the situation. You are trying to have a balanced outlook on this situation, or you want to take a balanced decision. Maybe there is something which is roughing your feathers out here. Maybe something is irritating you. Something is there which you are not liking. You have ruffled feathers for some reason on some issues perhaps, but still you are trying to moderate them. You are trying to balance the situation in some way, shape or form on some issue which is ruffling your feathers. You are not liking it, but still you feel it is under your control and you can manage it. The best course of action is the Three of Pentacles. Maybe you wish to talk to them. Maybe you are working as a team. Maybe you are thinking of taking an opinion from your family and friends and then make a move. Or maybe you think of sitting and talking to them one-on-one. Or maybe with other people involved, just to sort out something perhaps. That's what I feel. It's like maybe you want to talk to them. As far as your persons and general energies are concerned, we have the Seven of Swords. So definitely it's like this person is definitely hiding things from you. They are cheating, lying, deception, whatever you call it. It is a sneaky behavior as far as this person is concerned. They are in the habit of lying, cheating, manipulations, not committing, not telling the truth, not telling you the entire picture. This is a energy of this person. But their feelings for you are they want a long-term stability with you. They want a commitment from you. They are looking for a long-term relationship here. Even though they themselves are behaving in such a way, still this is what they expect from you. And as far as the best course of action according to them is the Ten of Wands. They want to unburden themselves. They want to put this burden aside. They feel they are being burdened over something and they want to release it. They don't want to carry some sort of a responsibility any longer. They just want to keep it. Maybe it can be some emotional baggage or something which they really want to keep aside. They are dealing with some burdens. Maybe they are heavily loaded. They are taking the entire responsibility. They just want to put it off. So this is a person who is overweight because of something. Okay, it can be their own lies and cheating, that's what I feel, but whatever it is, this person really wants to unburden themselves from something. The most likely outcome is the Queen of Cups, so there are a lot of emotions here but don't know what to do about them. Okay, so emotions are there on both the sides, definitely, that's what I feel, but then both of you are guarding it. Is the most likely outcome. It's, you really don't know what to do of so many emotions. If things, somebody is cheating and lying to you, what to do of these emotions, it's something like that. So Aquarians, I'll be pulling out the clarifiers and the details of the extended reading are link is given in the description box below. So just click on the link and just see if there is anything else for you and you want to see what this entire thing is, what this person is lying and cheating about, and what is the outcome here. So you're most welcome to join me on Patreon, and if you wish to stay till here, then thanks for being here on YouTube. Bye. Hope it helps.